Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Before you dig into this video, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Hey friends, so in today's video, let's take a look at some masculine home decor styles of living rooms. So we're going to be looking at some living rooms that have a more masculine twinge. Now, I am not saying that only men will like these rooms, but I'm just saying I feel like these rooms have a more masculine appeal. So looking at my analytics, of course I am a woman and I have a lot of women that watch me. However, 30% of my viewership are actually male. I don't know if you all are shocked by this, but I am absolutely shocked. So if you are a guy that watches me, hi, hello, welcome. Drop some comment ideas of rooms and home decor styles that you would like to see. This video is for you. So I thought, why not come up with a video specifically for some of the males that watch my channel, just kind of in honor of you, some masculine home decor styles. So as I said, this is going to be living room looks. Now, don't think just because a room is masculine that it has to always be dark, even though I am showing you a lot of dark examples because there are a ton of dark examples out there. But a living room kind of focused on a male can be dark and moody. It can also be bright or neutral or really any other color or scheme that you like. I would say to opt for a color scheme that really makes you feel comfortable and add a bit of dark touches if you want, or bright touches if you want. Neutrals are great for that, just as kind of like a colored base for you to really play off of. Now, as far as materials, wood, of course, is timeless. I feel like wood just screams masculine to me in some cases, right? Of course, you have a lot of wood and decor styles like shabby chic, but a lot of times that wood is really weathered and whitewashed, and it has a feminine appeal to it. Also, materials to try, leather, and even some cases fur. It's really sexy and brings an added textural touch to your room. You can also go for brick walls or at least a statement wall to make the space feel rougher. Of course, I have seen a lot of men that have a more industrial style home and living room, so brick walls will pair perfectly for that. But no matter what type of style you choose, a masculine living room is all about having a really cool space, no matter what style you prefer, even if you want to have industrial, rustic. Heck, I guess you can have a masculine shabby chic. I wonder how that would look. I need to try to find, I bet no one has done that, but it seems really cool. Traditional dark colors and black and white color schemes are always really cool, but if you need some color, there are some variants of different colors and traditional or Victorian styles out there. Minimalism and natural materials would really make your bachelor's living room really cool. I hope that you enjoy this video and get some ideas. Of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know in the comment section, friends. Enjoy the video. I'll see you in the next one. Oh my goodness, so I had to pop in and say this is one of my favorites. Doesn't this room just look bright and airy, but it still has a masculine touch and feel to it? This is one of my favorite rooms. Okay friends, so that was today's video. Don't forget to like, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course subscribe to the channel. This has been another And Then There Was Style video, but if you want to see more, check out one of these two right here. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.